Hi and welcome to this demo. I would love to show you what is inside the Ukážka Academy and how can we help a team like yours. So it's very likely at this point you have seen our brochure, the Ukážka Academy, what we are up to, what we do. So just really briefly, we connect technical leaders with recruiters. So technical leaders, like me, for example, I used to be a CTO who during the 6-year time frame has never really worked with external recruiters because I knew they really cannot really bring enough value to the table. As soon as I spoke to any of the recruiters in Thailand, I saw they cannot really understand the technologies. They cannot really help me find great developers. They cannot really interview them. They cannot really assess them. So that was the reason why we have started this academy, and we help teams, recruitment teams, to first onboard new joiners. So we see a lot of recruitment teams hiring recruiters, junior recruiters who come from HR with a HR background. So we help to transition them from the HR world to IT recruitment. We help them to understand technology so they can hire developers with confidence. Second, we help to upskill senior recruiters, technical recruiters. We help them to understand some of the advanced technologies, advanced roles such as DevOps, how to hire DevOps developers, how to hire BI and big data roles. So I'll show you right now what it looks inside the academy so you can see what can you expect. So as an example, you can see right inside, after you or your team logs in, you would see, for example, the courses in the sidebar. And you can see some of the courses you can start watching immediately. So this part is available anytime the team members can start watching the videos right away. Like for example, this course on top that you can see the technical team roles explains some of the roles like software testers, system administrators, product managers, etc. Here in the GR 101, we walk recruiters through the technical glossary and small talk. We actually really want to lay down a strong foundation. Like every single recruiter needs to know the difference between, an API or, what is an open source software, etc. Later on, we have, of course, software development lifecycle and methodologies. Here you can see the explanation of, for example, Scrum, Kanban, some of these methodologies, artifacts. We walk recruiters through all the roles, events, and artifacts. Okay, we have a course talking about technical recruiting tactics. So we really want to lay down strong foundation, and then later on we focus on some of the advanced topics. So all these are prepared courses on demand that any recruiter can jump on and start watching immediately, start learning. These courses include also worksheets, materials that the recruiters can use to learn even further. So for example, this is an advanced course, how to hire data roles, how to hire PHP developers, how to hire front-end web developers, app developers, Java developers, and so on. All right, so this is the content that is already prepared, and we also help teams with bi-weekly trainings that we only organize for teams. So this is great for teams that are that have more than 5 recruiters, and I will show you what it looks like. So here we create a dedicated group for a team. Like there is a team here. This is an agency from Germany, and we create a dedicated group for them. So all these 14 recruiters can access this dedicated group only for their team, and focused on their pain areas, which is how can we onboard new joiners, how can we teach them some of these basics. And you can see we organize live trainings for them, like this one. which looked like this. So these recruiters were on call. This is live training every 2 weeks for 90 minutes. And all these guys are here with the instructor. In this case, it was me. We go through some of the topics, some of the questions they have. This is real life, and one of the added values is the time slot in a calendar, because as soon as they know it's in a calendar, they are expected to prepare in advance. They are expected to have their assignment ready. So this is a huge added value. It's not just on-demand content, but this is set in a calendar. They are expected to show up and be prepared. So this is what it looks like here. You can see this is 1 hour 30 minute long with some explanation, whiteboard sessions. They usually contribute, they ask questions. Can we see maybe here someone asking a question? So this is really great for teams that are even distributed teams. In this case, they have the team co-located in a few locations. So this is an event where everyone gets together every 2 weeks for 90 minutes, and this is great to foster continuous learning in a team. And this is super important in IT, where the technologies just evolve constantly. So this helps them to set this learning pace. You could see also in our brochure here what are some of the topics that we focus on. I mentioned already how to hire Java, JavaScript developers, full stack, and so on. But what is important is these courses follow a similar structure, like all these hiring manager discussions. Who are the developers? Where to find them? And you can see on one of the videos how we explain these topics with a whiteboard session. What are the typical roles? How to attract the developers? How to interview and assess developers? So we go through these topics for every technology. And one of the great things about the dedicated group is the recruiters can actually ask questions, and some of our mentors can answer the questions these recruiters have. Like here you can see how Julia asked a question about their job description. The job description, they struggled with, and our instructors provided some feedback and suggestion how to improve it. So this is great because these recruiters need help. They need someone to come and say, hey, this is how you can solve this. Inside the Academy, you can also see that in one of the groups we have more than 50 members. This is actually a private group for instructors and mentors only. But as soon as you decide to create your own dedicated group inside the Academy, we start inviting some of the members that are relevant for your group. So you can see here we have 56 members as instructors and mentors. So these guys are really keen to help you understand the technologies and learn how to hire developers with confidence. In the Geek Academy, you can also see a feed of all these new webinars, some of the content. You can see even some suggested recommended articles. Developers share some of their tips and tricks. Recruiters share what they struggle with, what kind of roles. So we are creating this sort of an ecosystem where recruiters meet developers and technical leaders to learn together how to hire developers. Another added value of the Geek Academy is that we actually co-create the content with recruitment agencies. So we and I personally talk to lots of recruitment team leaders, business owners, recruitment agency owners, and see what do they struggle with, what do all the recruiters struggle with, and this is what we bring to the table. We create content that solves problems of similar agencies. I encourage you to scroll down, watch a few videos that we've handpicked from inside of the Geek Academy, and then give me a call to see how can you start hiring more developers.